As this biker was riding through traffic, a garbage truck unexpectedly drifted right into his lane. After narrowly escaping a brutal crash, he spun back around to face the driver. But instead of reacting with rage, he chose to turn the whole situation into a message about kindness.
Sorry about that.
We're good, brother. We're good.
Yeah, I'm a rider too, man.
All right, don't worry about nothing, man. You're good.
I'm concentrating, trying to get them to come out, and then the traffic behind me. And
I see
stuff.
you, man. You saw me just in time. It's a learning experience for me. You're good, bro.
I'm sorry,
You're good,
man.
bro. You saw me. You know now. We're good.